Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arya Putra with NPM 243211121 from class SI 24B, and I will present about deep dive into software design activity. Unlocking engineering excellence through intentional design. Why intentional design matters. First one, clarity. Clearly defined goals and requirements lead to fewer misunderstandings and reward. Cohesion. Well-designed modules fit together seamlessly, creating a robust and unified system. Scalability. Anticipating future growth allows for flexible architectures that can adapt and expand easily. Last one, maintainability. Thoughtful design reduces complexity, making systems easier to debug, update, and extend. The design activity life cycle. A structured approach ensures comprehensive coverage and robust outcomes. Requirements gathering, understanding user needs and system constraints. High-level architecture, defining the major components and their interaction. Detailed design, specifying individual modules, interface, and algorithm. Implementation and testing, translating design into code and verifying functionality. Review and iteration, continuously refining and improving the design based on feedback. Key design principles, guiding the decision for resilient and adaptable software. Modularity, break down complex systems into smaller, manageable, and independent modules. This enhances reusability and reduces interdependencies, simplifying development and maintenance. Abstraction, hide complex implementation details behind simple interface. This allows developers to focus on higher level logic without getting bogged down by low-level specifics. Encapsulation, bundle data and methods that operate on the data within a single unit. This protects that from external interference and misuse, improving system integrity. Loose coupling, minimize dependencies between components. Systems with loose coupling are easier to modify and test, as changes in one component have minimal impact on others. High cohesion, ensure that elements within a module work together towards a single, well-defined purpose. High cohesion makes modules more understandable and reusable. Separation of concerns, divide software into distinct sections, each addressing a specific concern. This principle promotes a clean architecture and makes system easier to reason about. Dry, don't repeat yourself. Avoid duplicating code or functionality. Redundancy introduce inconsistencies and makes maintenance a nightmare. Tools and techniques for effective design. UML diagrams, visualizing system structure and behavior with standardized notation. Class, sequence, use case diagram. Design reviews, collaborative session to scrutinize design for flaws, identify potential issues, and gather diverse perspective. Design patterns, leveraging proven solutions to common software design problem, promoting reusable and robust architecture. Prototyping, creating simplified version of components to test concept, gather feedback, and validate assumption early on. Data flow diagram, mapping the flow of information through a system, highlighting data transformation and storage point. Cultivating a design-first culture, embrace collaboration, encourage cross-functional discussion and peer reviews from the earliest stage of a project. A diversity of thought leads to more resilient design. Invest in training, provide continuous learning opportunities in design festivals, patterns and new architectural approach, document thoughtfully, create clear, concise documentation that explain design decision, reasoning, and future consideration, iterate and adapt, recognize that design is an ongoing process, be open to refining and evolving design as new information emerges or requirement change. By integrating thoughtful design into every aspect of our development process, we build not just software but lasting value. Key takeaways: building better software. Intentional software design is not merely a preliminary step, it's the bedrock of engineering excellence. By embracing a structured design lifecycle, from meticulous requirements gathering to continuous iteration, we lay a robust foundation that significantly reduces technical debt, enhances maintainability, and fosters innovation. Adhering to core principles such as modularity, abstraction, encapsulation, and separation of concerns guides us in crafting systems that are not only functional but also resilient and adaptable. These principles, coupled with effective tools and techniques like UML, design reviews, and patterns application, empower our teams to make informed decisions and anticipate future challenges. Ultimately, cultivating a design-first culture, one that champions collaboration, continuous learning, and thoughtful documentation, is paramount. It transforms design from an isolated task into an integral, collective mindset, ensuring our software solutions are scalable, cohesive, and truly impactful from the long term. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.